Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by locking in a profitable niche and an offer that pays well. This matters because traffic only converts if intent matches. Once done, set up one core asset, a content piece you control, like a review or funnel page, and register tracking ID. Make sure to configure affiliate links with UTM tags and tracking pixels. This first step gets your baseline data and a place to send traffic. Without it, you can't optimize or scale. Now scale content and traffic while staying faceless. Batch produce SEO posts or short videos using voiceover or AI narration, and target intent keywords. At the same time, run small paid tests to discover top converting creatives and landing combos. Once you find winners, double down and funnel clicks into an email capture so you own the audience. Make sure every asset includes tracking and a simple A/B test to compare headlines or CTAs, because numbers drive decisions, not guesswork. Finish by optimizing conversion paths and then scaling what works. Examine CTR, lead rate, and sales ROI, and reallocate spend to the top 2 performing assets. Once scaled, keep refreshing creatives and test alternative offers to prevent ad fatigue. If things go wrong, first verify UTMs, pixels, and redirect chains. Broken tracking looks like poor performance. If conversions drop without tracking errors, reduce spend, create fresh content, and retest. This cycle preserves margins and keeps your faceless affiliate system profitable.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.